how to create an LLC for undocumented immigrants. This video contains affiliate links and I earn a referral fee if you use the services mentioned at no extra cost to you because they're the best in the industry. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Are you living in the US without legal immigration status but want to legally start your own business? Here's the good news. You can form an LLC in the US even if you're undocumented. That means you don't need a social security number, you don't need a green card, and you don't need citizenship. As long as you're running a business like freelancing, landscaping, cleaning, catering, online selling, or even local delivery, you can form an LLC to get paid legally, protect yourself, and grow your business. So in this video, I'll show you how to set up an LLC step by step using Busy, which is a trusted online service that helps people from US company fast and affordably. So click the link in the description to start your LLC with busy.com. They'll walk you through the process even if you don't have an SSN or legal immigration status. But before that, the question is, can undocumented immigrants really form an LLC? So the answer is yes, they can absolutely. There is no law requiring US citizenship or a green card to form an LLC. In fact, many undocumented immigrants legally run LLCs across the country. You don't need an SSN, you don't need a visa or work permit. You can apply for an EIN using Form SS4. You can open a business bank account using your EIN and ITIN or passport. Forming an LLC means you can work legally as a business owner, not as an employee. So if you wish to start your LLC with Busy, click the link in the description and you will be redirected to the interface of Busy. So you're going to choose your state. For example, you can choose California, Texas, Illinois, choose any state, and then you're going to choose a name for your business. So make sure the name is a bit professional followed by LLC and select your industry such as cleaning, construction, beauty, food, whatever the industry is about. So all LLCs need a registered agent. Busy provides one free for the first year, so you don't need to list your home address. But if you wish to act as your own registered agent, then Busy does offer an option for that as well. Even without an SSN, you can get an EIN by selecting the option I'm a foreign individual on the IRS form. Busy handles this part for you. You don't even need to deal with the IRS directly. And if you already have EIN, then you can ask Busy to not obtain any EIN for you. Starting in 2024, all new LLCs must file a BOI report, that is beneficial ownership information. It asks for the owner's full name, address, and ID. You can use a passport or government-issued ID from your home country. Now, if you wish to create this as well, I have included the link in the description. Once you have your EIN, you can open a business account with banks like Lily, Novo, Blue Wine, or local credit unions that accept an EIN, an ITIN, or passport. This allows you to receive payments, accept Zelle, Venmo, and keep your business finances separate. So I'd recommend you to use Busy because it has no SSN required and offers free LLC formation with EIN and free registered agent for 1 year. If you want to work legally, protect your income, and grow your business, this is how you start. So click the link in the description and start your LLC today with Busy. That's the end of today's guide. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.